Wow! Uh-oh, the letters got all mixed up. Here's big letter A. Now where is little a? Not this one. There it is. Big A, little a. The dinosaur is fixed. Big letters are called uppercase and little letters are called lowercase. Now let's fix B. Here's big letter B. Where is little b? Maybe this one? No. Oh, little b. Big B, little b. Another dinosaur fixed. Now let's fix C. Here's big letter C. Where is little c? There it is. Big C, little c. Now we have 3 dinosaurs. Let's fix D. Here's big letter D. Where is little d? There's little d, big letter D, little letter d. Another dinosaur fixed. Now let's fix E. Here's big letter E. Where is little e? Oh, there it is. Big E, little e. Another dinosaur fixed. Let's fix F. Big F, little f. Another dinosaur fixed. One more letter. Here's big letter G. Where is little g? There it is. Big G, little g. We matched all the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That was fun. Let's do it again.